Good afternoon. I dey try since because I dey work since I dey try to enter your life. I close for work. May I enter your life? May I talk to you? I see say people they talk for your platform say I dey fear. They don't know how people go they lie. They go they fear. What I want fear for? I want fear Rhoda.
Continue.
I don't feel fear now. What I want fear for?
On your camera now.
Okay. May I on my camera?
Okay, my sister.
I dey inside Puma. They come for. I dey inside Puma. They come for work. They think they my body affect.
Oh yeah, continue now. Continue.
I dey come and clean my.
All right.
What I want tell you, the Rhoda say you don't know me. May we come out jail for this matter. May we come out jail for this matter because not be jail they serve paper, na me they serve paper. Rhoda talk say you don't know me. Rhoda know me. Wetin I talk for Rhoda body, I talk say that Pikin wey born so that divine. Say na forget the Pikin, not be husband get am. Now wetin I know about am now talk, I not put life for your head. Because Rhoda for a live video, Rhoda they tell me for a live video. Rhoda tell me for a live video say my baby papa, me we don't go. My baby papa he dey Nigeria go marry because he know me. He know everything about me. What he know about me talk. And what he still know about and still talk. What he make I go serve me juju paper?
You can understand it.
I don't understand. What he make I go serve me juju paper? I don't understand.
Madam, if I understand
what he make I go serve me juju paper?
May I go wear that my count this thing? If I understand you, madam, when you dey explain to us right now, be say Rhoda Pikin not be you, I be now because say he tell you, I make you tell her.
You dey hear me?
I dey hear you. I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
You dey hear me?
Hey, me hear you. Hey, is it this happening?
Now what I know about and I tell him so if he die Pikin so I talk him. I know they fear anybody. I said that Pikin so that divine that first daughter not be the man. Oh. Are they fear? What he make and go serve me juju? What did they serve me juju for? When you tell me say my baby father is in Nigeria go marry, say me don't go. I don't go. If they tell me what I mean, okay, tell me something wey you know about me. What he know about me, tell me. What he know about and still tell him too. What he did there?
Okay, the thing when you tell you that truth, the thing when you talk for your body.
If they did not say no know me, yesterday they talk for your life. Eh?
The thing when you talk for your body.
What you talk for my body? Yes, that my baby father issue na truth because he know my baby papa. He know me very well. All those one where they talk say no know me, all those one are lie. He know me very well.
The thing when you talk for your body na truth.
The truth where I talk for your body.
Na truth, I mean, because of what she tell you, now make you talk that way.
The thing where I talk for your body na truth.
But she to go the pretty one again.
This one na between me and Rhoda. Mo come epa no Jane. That one where they call Jane. Just leave Jane for inside this matter. Now me and Rhoda make it come face me. Now what I talk for your body na truth. Make that divine, that first daughter not be the man. Oh, now me talk am. He know. He know me very well. We know each other for us. We not be friends. Me and Rhoda know for us. We not be friends. Hello. Now Europe will continue for bring this in 2014. I will continue jam. Jam where we come the rapport together. What shall be say? Call the dinner. Say I don't know the girl. I don't even know his name. He know me. Even know me for us before.
Not say people will never see for life before. It's not here. Don't talk. People they say I've been. Not say people don't accuse me say my here. Don't talk.
Eh?
I see you don't say people don't accuse me saying na here I born for. I never see the cause for my life, for my fault. I never see for my life. Say na here I born for.
Hello.
So maybe na say the something For person don't even accuse me saying that yeah, born for. And that can't see I never seen her for my life. So because this may be na any fit do, na one fit do.
I don't understand what you talk, Mama Laura.
You understand the my wife say somebody come out for this TikTok. Say na me. Then my wife born my daughter for which is Nora. And my wife never seen that person before. Then make my wife call the ask you now if na so your whole thing happen. But now you don't tell us say you know Rhoda for us, which is monitoring. But not the talk.
Yes, I know that for us. We know with the hello, we not be friend for us. Now Europe, now Italy 2014, now we come the rapport together for 2014.
This one be body J off your camera. I hope you have this one.
All those way they deny say.
Okay, me off camera. My network. It's on network.
Oh, make you talk for
What I want off camera for again? Are they fear?
The is biased.
Yeah.
What's not be off camera? Person they talk for video camera, you say me off camera. Off camera. Okay, my sister. Now when you don't talk and say.
Na me supposed.
Come on, me 3D Pikin.
Na me supposed to even serve and juju paper, not even serve and juju paper. What did they serve me juju paper for? He said my baby papa dey Nigeria. Say I don't go. Oh yes, now true. He dey Nigeria. He don't go marry. Yes, he know my baby papa. That he know everything about me. Hey, what did they pretend for? All those pretend now not like.
So
now they pretend for like videos.
Now when you don't talk out now, say mommy 3D first picking up your own. You go fix you go fix swear.
I know they swear for anything. May I go bring DNA test come. What you call? I know they swear for anything. What you want swear for?
But you sure say what you talk na truth.
Bros and Noji, I say yes. Say that first daughter not be the man. Oh.
You dey surprise me. I dey look because
I dey fear. I want my camera. I dey fear now. Now because say I dey for inside, I dey go for work. I dey inside Puma. I dey fear because I see say people they talk for the video say you don't talk finish the girl come dey run the girl no go come outside the girl come talk. Which person I want fear? Me I call the fear Rhoda. Who be Rhoda? Why I want fear? Now no know her. Me know her reach house. Because that or the seven this one I call him mother. I call him mama. Him mama don't even know about all those things. Now me even tell him mama see what they happen. I call him mama for house.
when you don't call mama for house, you mama for tell you.
What you wrote down?
You bring on 3D.
What you wrote down?
What? No, I call him mama. No, mama, I know say mama na vasu. My mama call they beg me say we be sister. Even though you do all those kind of things for my present, I'm not supposed to. You call they beg me say me no say not well, like but not okay. Say even though you tell me all those kind of things, say no we be friend. The road and my sister Guru, me not supposed me I go they talk all those kind of things. I go say I see what make me talk. I see what he still talk about me. I go still talk you. The one way I still know about her. The mama can still quarrel with me. Can still go for that.
Let me ask you.
Okay.
Mommy 3D dey now.
My sister, good evening. Good afternoon.
What do they beat you paper for?
I beg, you really dey sure for what you do?
I dey hear you, pa.
You dey hear me? You dey hear me?
Yes.
You dey hear me?
Yes. They hear you.
I say
I dey hear you.
You really dey sure for what
I
you
dey
dey
hear
talk about because of Saka. That make you dey talk am. You really dey sure? Because sometimes you dey talk something because of Saga.
Mama, I no be small.
Because when you say dey talk am, you dey talk am with confidence. Na truth.
Mama, I no be small pikin. I no be small pikin. This road that so, you know me very well. I no be small pikin.
Okay, my sister Barry J. Now wetin road that tell you when you dey
I dey hear you.
Now wetin road that tell you when you dey Italy or Now here you hear her. Say first Pikin not be young.
I not hearing now what I know about him. All those people are talking, you know, say na for him mind, he know say na truth. He not be the man, oh, he know say what they talk na true. May go bring DNA test come. Now today they start to they talk for social media. Because of say no me rich as now make you say you want go be juju. Because say no me rich as now make they talk of juju. What of people where they talk and the rest people where they drag am. Say the Pikin not be the man, oh. I beg.
You know say that because of na no Richards, maybe that's why she dey drag you now. Mommy 3D o.
Rhoda, what I want to tell you, if you want saga me, first me face to face and saga me. Forget all the juju matter. First me face to face, saga me. Geme hello, saga me, malegbe. Akiliagba. You from Efab, you from Amedoshan. Akiliagba. If you want saga me face to face. You from Efab, you from Uro, from Amedoshan. Akiliagba.
If you ask me for make I come there extend.
They're posting news out for TikTok. There is such innocent children. There is also single mother children that have not correct. Because so you know me, you know about Jude, you know about my baby, I about Jude. Because that's how they mock me for your live video. Rhoda, you they tell your fans today say I don't come. Say the man where I'm going from Nigeria.
Mute her first now. Two of us want to they talk.
Make she first play finish now. Why will we
But no, this one not be. She don't already explain to you. What do you want here? She don't tell you now.
She dey talk. No, Mommy 3D wait.
Okay, may I come down? It's okay. If you talk, finish. I'll come.
Okay, wait first. If you don't talk,
my children dead. If you don't talk, I'll come.
Barry J, you don't talk finish. Barry J, you mute, my sister. You mute. You mute. You hear me, daughter?
This Rhoda, so he know about this Rhoda, he know about my baby father. Everything about my baby father, no fit deny am here. He know.
Yes. Okay.
He used to mock me for a live video. Say the man where I born for my baby papa. He said he go ask for live video for where people dey. He say he go ask go marry. He say me don't come. You they laugh me. Say my baby papa he go ask go marry. You know. I don't know. This road that.
That's on that question.
Hey, my people, the opportunity is not only one. They don't see. That
the paper. Now you be the first person who go submit the paper. If from back they beg the other girl. The first time make it come call you for phone.
If they talk finish. That's
what that one no, but we forget about that one matter. You not concern that one because you not serve that one.
Mommy, today this day now one.
Now two of us, now me a Rhoda, now me Rhoda serve.
Barry J. Mommy, today this day now one. Now he don't see you for 11 one. So now when you say you know your baby father, meaning not be once no. Mommy, today this day now one.
If you say that once you see me for life, I can't say me carry Pikin come take sweat. Then I say me carry Pikin come. If Rhoda say that once you don't see me, me carry Pikin come make sweat. Rhoda, me will not dey come. Married, but we know push other nyasho. Talk to we hide, me will not talk about. If I hear you for this TikTok and you enter house, your madness not reach my own. Not the other way they swear for all those innocent children. Hey. You know my baby father. You know about my baby father, you know. I don't feel deny that one, you know. You know about my baby father, I don't feel deny that one. You know, say my baby father go Nigeria, go marry. He don't dey Nigeria now, he not dey Europe again.
You better only once you don't see this woman. I beg Mommy Tini, they listen know. In case if you climb up on Mommy Tini D. She said
if you say that once, bros and no, if you say that once, if Mama Tini D say that once, he don't see me for a life. May use the Pikin hair take sweat put.
We'll see.
Rhoda, you said that once you don't see me, may he know. Rhoda, 2014 for bring DC. 2014 bring DC. Rhoda, I beg you. May we not just yeye ourselves for this TikTok. Enter house, so not just disturb me with all those your juju. Now you carry juju, can you go use your hair carry juju? Nothing concern that juju. Just come face me. Come face me, come saga me, the one way you never talk for my body, the one way you remain, you know everything about me, I know pretend here. Come talk and make public here, may I see talk your own. Where I never talk, may I go pee on you, so discuss ourselves more at us. I beg go. Such a no get shit for us. Not share you for us, they talk rubbish. May he record me, make it record me. If you say I want, say I say me swear put. If you say I want, say I say me come swear put. Now my face be this one. You know me very well. You know me. You know everything. You know more. You know everything about me, nah. You know. You get many things about me when never talk for public. Make it as one may want live video, make come saga me, nah. Make it come talk the one way they men. They don't. My baby papa is in Nigeria. I don't go marry. Yes, that man a truth. You don't already hear me. You don't already tell the public. Now, no problem. Not true. I not deny. Not true. You don't go Nigeria go marry. We know they. Not true. You know everything. Not true. But the one way I know about you, I never talk. I go. You respect yourself. Don't enter house for this TikTok. Enter house. So where what free body you come and come they tell people what. I beg. Not disturb me. All those your juju matter, no use and just disturb me. First me, if you know say they like go be DNA test come. Why you not go be DNA test? Hey, if you be DNA test, you can sue me. We then don't be the share Europe today.
Barry J, you don't talk your own English.
You don't know my name. You don't know my name. You can't know the name what they bear for documents for Europe. You can't know the name what they bear for documents for Europe. You don't know me.
That time down. 2 questions. Number 1, Mommy 3D tell us say and this woman say we know how.
House wait for rent. Place wait for rent house before for bring this seat.
Number 2.
Rhoda, Ejimarek, you respect yourself, I beg. You respect yourself for this situation.
How Mommy 3D tell no her name for document? Now that time down. More they remind me in case I forget. Okay, now thank you so much. I mean your come. You go carry my children to hospital. Madam, thank you so much. No bring Mommy 3D. God bless you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Barry J. You hear me?
I don't vex because I come for work.
You hear me? Network.
I dey inside Puma, they come for work. I'm not there.
You hear me?
I make my face rough. They come for work. I dey hear you. I dey hear you. Yes, I dey hear you. Yes, I dey hear you. I dey hear you. I know her for house, right for time, but we not be friends. I not feel like we not be friends for house. Now for bring this see.
Didn't know say you know for house.
You know now, those one pretend now. Why he know now. Ask me what camera now. Most of people know the truth. Most of people will know me for Uromi. When you still know her for Uromi, they know the truth. Many people they know if you come up on the talk. They fit call you for private. You know now. Rather respect yourself now. Now they talk about BDC 2014. What did they happen? Respect yourself.
Talk about BDC 2014. Talk everything now because his brother climb up now. She go come talk to you. Talk about
why you call the dust? No. That 2014 where they talk now. She take collect that woman husband. Now she take collect the woman husband. I be the 2014 where they talk. The woman husband will collect now.
Talk about BDC.
I go.
I take collect and explain to us.
Okay, yesterday carry the matter come me to say one go sweat juju. What if make I call the tell you say one go sweat? You go and sweat the juju now. You want go sweat juju, one go sweat juju, one go sweat juju. You should be say I won't go sweat juju, I won't go sweat juju. No, they lie. Just come and say, I know.
Talk about bring the tea. Talk about bring the tea. Talk with the apple for bring the tea. Talk about the apple for bring the tea. Talk now. Since you don't read, you talk everything. Where you know say na truth. Talk everything.
No. This man, you dey hear me so? This man so we be husband, so we come to. Because I take collect the man, me no say this man marry. No, you know say this man marry. Rather than no say he marry. House where would they sleep? For back of the man apartment. That man they stay for back of aerospace. Back of aerospace for breed DC. Back of aerospace that the apartment dey. When I die, woman carry so woman will come dey Jamie. So he put the woman enter Jamie finish. Husband and wife plan together. Now so rather go rent house with Ghana man for them begin they sleep with this man. You know, so one of my friends, now the man they even the talk. I don't want to mention his name here because me will just come on that one. I mean, serve and paper. Now that the man they even the toast, he not like that one not like the man. That's why that begin to sleep with this man. Where they carry all those them the bed, he get kissed where go the friend, where he go the fall for Padova. He carry all those are the jet that Pikin, the jet divan for his belly. He carry go give this old man. Wait, shut your. Coswell put road that come and Coswell put say you know fuck up 2014. Wetin happen for bring DC? Wetin happen for bring DC about that this?
Talk now.
Wetin I know about this man? He know say this man married. He know say this man a married man. Before he chook enter go dey sleep with this man, carry another person pikin go give the man. Before this pikin go put for the man body, don't be this man fault. So this man wey you dey see so. Like go for that divine put for that man house and the man get that. He no rather know for the man say no be that man get divine. What if they deny? What if the first me they deny say you don't know me now once you don't see me? Rather you they deny me say you don't know me, don't see me once. You come at come swear for live video. You come and come swear. Now once you don't see me. Yesterday you thought say I can't eat for your house. Eat wetin? What I can't eat for your house? Okay, I come your house, can't eat. Now person carry me come your house, can't eat. Now what you talk yesterday? All those your lala where they laugh and down. The first time I enter Italy, that was because now road that first me enter Italy 2013. But na flight to follow come. Na flight, not be land. Now me follow land come. 2014, now my boyfriend said, now my ex-boyfriend, small body, that is our friend, where reject that Pikin for your house. So now small body even call and say, my girlfriend don't enter. But I call they stay together. I can say, no, I know if you stay that, I know if you stay with this year. I don't already there for characters or for lecture. That was 2014. You deny, say you don't know me. No, you don't know me now. Sure, be say you don't know me. Well, then respect yourself. They respect yourself. What's he making you go carry the two give me for home? Because you don't cast. Because no, John, oh, me don't bad you. Not let me talk. You don't cast for your boss serve me to do for someone. You don't cast now. You don't cast. If you serve me to do for someone, I will pursue you. You go any smart you go in. Your husband wey collect for other woman hand, you lock up for bottle, you go dey use the name dey sack people to do. Wetin concern your husband? Come face me, na me talk say this guy divine not be your own. Wetin concern the man for inside? You go dey use the name dey sack me to do. Use your name, take road that could do. Use road that could do take sack me to do. For who me? You. Abota. Now what? Watching. Don't come they drag me for TikTok again. What I know about you now, just talk so. Rest. If you not rest, more people they come as I go, yeah, you for. This TikTok. Now you're not for the free. I beg you. They deny me. They deny me. Say you don't know me. Why you go to deny me? Say you don't know me. You know me. Not they deny. You know me. You know everything. Where I take get belly. Where I take come on go Jamie. That was I got belly. I come on go Jamie 2015. Where I got born my son for Jamie 2015. Where I get belly 2014. I come. You know everything. Brother, respect yourself. Shall be say you don't know me.
Thank you so much.
You go the tell person. You go the tell okay, you now go the tell person. What do you know about person? Person will come tell the one way you know about you. Not be say the person lie. You can't pay you for body. What do you think they pay you for body? What do I know about you? Now talk so. Not let her pay you for body. You tell me what you know about me. Now truth. I'm not for a put aside the juju paper. Now true. Now what I want to have the juju paper. I'm not saying that true you talk for that one. But the one I still know about you, I still talker. Because they serve me juju paper. Because now me of it beat me, you know richness. And it's the person where they fear person. The other person where they fear. Who I won't fear you. You now woman do I won't fear. I beg you. I don't touch your face.
God bless you. God bless you.
I hear you.
Do it.
I hear you.
May I bring
Okay.
That guy we want to go do sorry for your leg. How many of you remember Kennedy? So I think last week, Ipakobe, the music oracle, he called me. When he called me, he said one woman send money through him because he knows say partner my papa, which is Akobe. Say so the woman say make he give me 100K. May I give Kennedy? Me not get Kennedy account number. I can't ask Omo Bliss. Omo Bliss come tell me say he go ask Kennedy for the account number. So now the 100K now Ipakobe do so. So now you can see there you are doing transparency in this platform. We know the lie you get. So God bless Ipakobe. God bless the woman that bring the money for Ipakobe to send to me, to send to Kennedy. Thank you. All right. I may I quickly breeze out for that one. May I not go forget. Mommy TVD. May I write them down? First question, Mommy TVD. This one now, Mommy TVD, not be say you cut the thought, say I know they debunk anything. This woman came here to ask you 2 questions. Number one, she say, not be the first time we see her with that. He know you more than young, but not be friends. He still know you. He say you know the history of the baby papa. But just to bring my utility up, he say you know the history. So you go first explain that one first. Me by myself and you. You first explain that one first. Then number two, our rename for document. Yeah.
Epadomo.
Where's it?
This my Epadomo, God I beg. Epa, did you do my say on Friday?
Okay. Now you men don't please call the thought. Because what be Epadomo? What be
Now she said I'm married Pini man, I don't the Epadomo tere. Epa, that no be pro. I bet another one the way that they call it Ali person.
No, Epadomo is okay. It's okay.
Okay. Brother, I know gay. Let me learn that part.
Brother, that disrespect, sef.
Epa, bro, what you cause me I talk.
Epadomo is okay.
Okay, Epa, I beg. Did you do mass on Friday at about 2:00?
Okay.
Yeah, Friday 2.
Before the juju man go say Friday, you hear what that woman talk just now?
Epa, no worry, relax. I bet the woman will make me know. I say, may you bring her come up now. She be candy. She says she don't free now. May you bring.
No, Mommy Tiridi, no. No, Mommy Tiridi, no. What I want you to explain is, I want you to debunk what she said.
Epa, I don't know this person. Wait, I'm going to debunk. They don't understand. If I put it up now, you'll say, they go say, I don't get it.
You love to spread this thing from my hand.
Epa, no, I don't know this person, Epa. Now me, they tell you.
The woman came here, repeat everything that she said against you.
Epa, may you rest. I say I don't know this person. Now you know, not be my no. I don't know this person. If the way I explain it to you is not okay by you, now the one where she explain, now it's okay for it's okay. Thank God say, Epa, hold on. Thank God say Lady Day don't talk and say she say make me go bring juju people, and that was why I went and do it.
See, Mommy Tiridi, there are some words you use. I don't know, maybe not the way it grow.
Epa, I don't know her now.
Wait, there are some words you use. It's disrespectful.
Hey God, now this one no one here just now. Now make her they beg you.
No, now your no is disrespectful.
Oh, sorry, Epa. Epa, now my no. Epa, no well, when mudane.
No, because they correct you on words.
Yeah, Epa, sorry, no verse. I beg, no verse. Hey, no verse. Sorry for that word. Now my no. And
somebody came up here and say a lot.
Epa, I don't know this person.
Wait, Mommy Tiridi, except you don't want me to come on live video Friday.
If Epa, God,
now you want the day now.
Epa, the mass on Friday. I just came up to tell you because I don't think they follow her the banter words. That was why I blocked her.
Telling me, I know. If you want me to come on Friday, you need to debunk what she said.
Epa, okay, what if I can't debunk her? Now what I can go do for she on Friday?
If you see this shit, then you go debunk her. But now that the woman has come on more than 6,000 people, God talk say, see what happen. It is your own right to also say it.
Epa, number one. Okay. This woman say I know her for us. I don't know him.
Okay.
Epa, what's to make you feel say I can't lie? Which I chop? I can't lie. First go they bridge you.
Only you want they talk. Only you want they conclude. Only you want they.
Epa, hold on, please. With all due respect at this point, I don't know this person. He say he know me, Epa. He say he know me from Nigeria. I don't know him. And like I said, now this my friend, so now she bring this woman come my house for the first time where I know this woman, and that was 2014. But I cannot actually remember the date because I live there. They say come that time. They just knew come. Then this our friend come they stay my house. I give this girl my house so they stay with me. Not be this person. I don't know this person anywhere. If not be this my girlfriend, where bring her come eat for my house. I repeat them, eat for my house. She said me, I say, our baby papa they where? My brother, tell her make you say you the evidence of when me take call and say, what do you say be her name? I know her when because she be friend to my friend. I know say her name na Edina be her name na I don't want lie. Her name na Ehino. Now I know I'm where this my friend, this girl so we become this so they be her friend, I be her name. She say I know her document name. What concern me concern her name? But you see the way I forward her name, I know but give you. Now so my friend take forward her give me another name now tell some more her. I don't know whether na her document name. But all this way she they talk, so let her keep it. Now she say me I go bring juju paper. I have the record. Now juju paper there you they say that me tell you. When me tell you, where me for tell you. How me they know you? Where could they hang your picture or they call your name? They tell you say you where you don't go. Your baby papa in Nigeria. What's that? When? How? Epa, please do not stress yourself over this matter, please, because you have a lot to do. On Friday, may she come swear juju. Very simple.
Let me make stress for the issue. No worry. Let me make stress. Who is actor? Is he measure actor? Yes, now who be actor?
Let me ask her. Akpo na my enemy S. Epa, hold on. Akpo na my enemy.
Right, what they use make I you ask me.
Epa, because I am married. Do I have to be talking about my
you say those children. You say those children.
I don't know. I don't know if that's the right word because I never experienced
the right word. Who is Akpo? Akpo and those children, yes.
I don't know.
Oh, Baba. So meaning you wait. When you are married, the husband, your husband still get mama.
Yeah, you get with they come mama.
That will not sit you down tell you traditions.
He
as a
said to
married
say
man.
my enemy. That's why I say my enemy.
Not be enemy. Hey, not be enemy.
If I beg, don't do.
Those children. They teach you tradition now.
Okay.
Your ex is not your enemies. If you want to refer to them because you are not married, you will not say those children S. Akpon are those children S.
As okay.
So, Mommy 3D, who is Akpon?
Now those children S.
Oh,
Yeah.
those children S before
Thank
you
you
met your
for
husband.
that. Yeah.
Oh, so you know Akpon.
Oh, can't it be done there? Yeah.
Those children yes.
Yeah. It's
This
okay.
matter that you are seeing here is not funny. Because it has to do with your kid. That's why I'm really interested. For this woman again to come here this afternoon to say this.
Now since last year she done the talk am. Now until when I hear she say make I go bring Juju.
Now only this woman don't talk this thing and be other people there.
I don't know. Now her mouth me for the year and say me na her friend because you know wetin it be for person to say na your friend, which means she there aware. You know understand? The rest when they talk, I feel they talk or top saga, fake accounts, all those kind of things. You know understand? So for her to talk because this person when we know how there be this candy.
Who be Candy?
She there. I don't know whether she send request. She did comment section.
No, she did comment section is different from she did request.
She feel request. You ask her. You like check. No.
Candy now waiting again.
Now he be her friend. When she thought say na three of us do as we be, when you not remember ask her just now, but no worry, on that day she go answer her.
No, because the ones when she talk about you, now I want to try to know. You understand? All those ones when she they talk, so maybe she will talk all those ones for Juju. The more reason why I ask you all these things, we say that can't deny an eyewitness.
Okay.
No, me they ask you can't deny an eyewitness.
No, true can't they tell no her. That's why they tell you.
Okay.
I don't know this woman before.
Hello, Candy.
I just want to talk to her husband. He's disrespecting you. Something first of sister people.
Are you Candy?
That one not be Candy now. Check friend request. Friend. Oh my God.
Oh, are you Candy?
Yeah.
Are you Candy?
Yeah.
You are not Candy, Odi. You be Candy.
He said. Papa is busy. He said.
If I check friend request, check request list first. I'm not sure say now should be that.
Candy is requesting. No, bring it, Candy. Candy, where are you?
She not the request list.
Candy. See Candy here. I don't see Candy.
Hello? But I go back to sir.
How you doing?
I did fine, sir. What that far?
I did my day, but Shaya.
What they bring go ya up? I don't understand.
Sir. Now maybe that girl when she called to say she go do what she be. I not do what she be.
Are you be Candy? Are you be Candy?
Yes, sir. They hear you. Yes, sir.
Camera.
Okay. Yeah. I not supposed to come, but I just want to come defend myself. I don't know one, no two. But I go sign paper for waiting. I don't know one, no two. I beg. I not supposed to come up, but I just got to.
Come on now.
Jesus. Okay. Well. Sir.
Candy.
Sir. That is.
How you doing?
Okay, sir. I mean,
So what do you know about what Barry J said about Ashebi. Talk. We hear you.
I was not there. Oh.
You not there.
Speak pidgin English now. Speak pidgin English. I beg.
English now. Don't worry, I'm a teacher. I don't know anything about the Ashebi.
Barry J. Now this woman they talk.
Yes.
Candy. Okay. Today you now talk.
Not supposed to come. People don't even come. Say make I not come. And
Where
get
is Barry J? I beg where Barry J? Wanna bring Barry J up for me? Get where? No, they don't wanna look for Barry J for me.
I don't know why she go make. I don't know why she go mention.
Barry J can't use the mouth talk. I don't say that woman.
I don't know why she go mention my name and never come live video, come a person platform or whatever. And I know they jump person live video. I do on my own.
No, I bring Barry J up. Like say she still decide boss. Okay, now not be you. Okay, explain now. Explain how you can't say Barry J don't come up. Barry J don't come up. Una wait to. Because this guy issue so. Wait. Puma boss. Una give Barry J network now. Puma boss. Italian Puma boss. What the network in the Barry J? Oh, Baba.
Jennifer, what happened? Why they call me? They carry your started the joy. They say country. Yeah, man, I tell you.
Barry J. Oh, yo, man. Barry J. Oh, yo. Barry J. Goodness. My goodness.
Boss and J.
Yes, I can hear you. How remove Barry J? We will not remove Barry J when Barry J never started to talk. Who drop Barry J? Thank God, nobody will sit us say you are biased. Now they go face moderators. Iye me I still rest. Iye me o salubwa. What be missing do that one? So I always say, hey.
Yeah, not because I never defend anybody, but now my own I can't clear. Say I don't make. You see me beggar. I don't want anybody they measure my.
Okay,
No, I just want clear my own. How much day I join Ashebi, I go cook. I think that marriage was 2013. According to the story, we enter Europe.
Okay, you can't cook for Europe 2013. You can't enter Europe 2014. Barry J.
Dove. Where?
Dove. On it.
I the point, but wait. Where?
Abeba yi Dove Rai.
No.
Dare, ba ye Dove Rai.
Bros and J. This matter. Now, may I tell you about this matter? It concern me, Rhoda. This J. See what you want for talk for up. You for bring up down. Make me and Rhoda. Now me Rhoda. Now no, you don't already talk to her. No, Rhoda don't already talk to J. Rhoda don't already talk to J. You don't call J 2 days ago. Don't already tell her say make call defend her for up. I didn't hear you.
Maybe someone's not looking for you.
What is this?
I know.
I didn't
Someone's not looking for you.
You know how I said this.
What?
My business. I never enter live video before. I don't enter live video. Never even do live video.
May you mute first, may get questions to ask you. Yeah. May Barry J come up for Wednesday.
I didn't hear you.
Now this guy he called the talk. they're gonna do.
Yes, now
20%.
this one I be Jane. Wait, now this one I be Jane. The road don't already tell am say see what he don't already beg am. Day before yesterday, before the road that carry the girl number, he carry your number, give the girl, may call you. They don't already discuss, I say may call help am. I know what they talk. Come out for this matter, make it face me now. Me serve juju. He serve a juju. May come face me now. I deny what I talk. May face me, carry am down.
No.
No, brother, not carry me down. Hey, no, no. Number one, they talk.
Why they carry her down? Tell me why you
Okay.
carry her down.
I don't talk my own finish. More than talk my own still.
But I bring her back. But I bring her back. If na mommy 3D bring person come, because I say we don't want to talk to her, how not feel? We don't be partner true. I be small Pikin. When I bring her, come and ask her question.
Wait, Rhoda, you swear, use your Pikin swear, pussy. Day before yesterday, you not call J, tell J, say, you not beg her for phone before you carry your a pie no J, give her a pie no J, no, but make call a pie no J. Say, me can't defend you. You swear with your Pikin. Swear with your Pikin head. I said you swear with your Pikin head. If I face you for this talk, your head go correct.
No, I beg remove Pikin for here. I beg. Yeah.
No, if you say a lie, they lie. Now make you come out, come swear with your Pikin. Say you not call this guy. Not say that this guy call you by Pepper no bros and no Jenna. This guy now he call you. Now rather carry you don't beg this guy beg come defend me. Oh, now fire there for public now. Come defend me. Come carry your number. You can't give Jade. Make call you. I know what they talk. Now me you serve juju come first me now. Now you want to the first me go juju. Go serve me juju second time. They serve me the juju. You know, get sense.
Where is Candy? Yeah, Candy, come up again. May wisdom not depart from me. Candy. All your video, now because you're by the game there side, my video will take the top for you. Candy, I want to ask you simple question. But enjoy your mute.
Okay.
That one we talk say a true be say your wife na momentarily different. Melissa, you are blocked. Immediately. Come on for here. Your wife na momentarily different. Me, I not touch you. I'll be waiting. Come on, get that. Sharply, move. Candy.
I didn't hear you.
What do you know about the marriage that was done 2013?
I don't know anything about the marriage, Joe.
So what do you know? Tell us what you know.
You no, the reason when I come, when she thought say I do Ashebi, me, she, I don't do Ashebi.
They disturb me.
I don't do Ashebi follow that man. Me, I don't even know when Brother Chris do marriage. I don't even know when Brother. Yeah, you don't. Now when I say
but the say now you are to do Ashebi.
I'm not there.
For Mama Titi. Now I am going to call Mama Titi to come and wait. I am going to call Mama Titi now because Mama Titi not be small Pikin. She no do Ashebi follow them 2013. If I call Mama Titi, wait, you enter 2014. Wait now, but the just that you do Ashebi. But the just that you do.
Even me and this guy so
meanwhile, as I did now, cut us I don't know do Ashebi follow me for my marriage. Now they mention names. Sharon, Annie, Boss Lady, that Yoruba girl, Yabu. There is 8. When I know do Ashebi follow me. No sir, God, no sir for Benjo. Then after 20 years or 15. I can't say that's why I forget. So Mama Titi, which is the ex-wife of Mommy 3D present husband, will now come in to come and tell us who do Ashebi. Not be the one by the talk so. Because can't deny the talk say you know witness her, but the judge say now let's say Mommy 3D don't go talk to her. Then the only person that can prove the truth here is Mama Titi. If you like, you not like, I say no get it talking. It not concern me. Now so I want to talk on what to talk on. Well, you know them
Brother I know J.
Wait,
Brother I know J. Brother I know J. Wait. Brother I know J. Wait for this matter. You know it. You say
wait now.
this that.
Why do come on Titi? Me they believe can't deny. Because according to you, Mommy Tiri did not go corner.
Nah, mama, nah, Rhoda, wait. Nah, Rhoda even thought say do I should be follow the woman. I just thought say they invite us. The case he wants swear juju, swear on the right way. Play this thing where the record where they record me, play and where. If you don't know how to, if that Rhoda not get sense, wait, they deny me say no know me. I know what they talk. You want to talk, they talk say, you could the okay 3 days ago, you the beg Jane, a bit to the beg gun. Carry a pie, no Jane, no bag, give a talk say you want okay, you don't serve me juju paper. What you make you come from?
I'm not a defend anybody.
Rest. I understand. No, I understand. Wait, I understand. Wait.
You know me.
No, you no figure issue. Me, you no figure issue. Me and you no figure issue for this life. Me and you no figure issue. Now me I wrote that get issue.
My name for TikTok.
Now me I wrote that get issue. Now me I wrote that get issue. Now me wrote that serve juju. Wrote that serve juju.
Why you carry my name out there? Why you carry me come outside? Why you carry my name come outside? Well, for TikTok when I know the day.
Mama Titi. When I send you number.
If you carry my name, go.
Daddy, wait now. I want to call the ex-wife of Mommy 3D present husband. Because of what Barry J talk, say Mommy 3D don't go tell you this one. If I call Mama Titi, because Mama Titi knows that Juju go follow this matter come. So I believe Mama Titi will be in the best position to tell us who do I should be following. God, don't stress yourself again.
You don't let the show. He don't have juju paper. He don't have juju paper. I may go swear for himself now. May go swear the juju now. You have juju paper because he called platform. What you call the fine for platform? What can we platform? Where I'm rebel. What I'm platform?
Then we call Mama Titi now.
I beg.
You know that.
Now you sell paper. Now you call.
Mama Titi. Which number I take coming that day? That's what I see now. I beg, Candy. Candy.
They hear you.
I know they see your face. Hold on. Mommy Trinity waiting now. More they see your face.
My children don't come.
Okay. Yeah. You tell me, you say, pa.
No, I don't want to interact with you, they talk.
Damn you.
Jenny, but I have here.
I don't like this kind of thing.
It's okay, no worry.
We are talking about it. Yes, Mama Titi.
You say me, Mama Titi, I go defend what I would do for what? Number one. Because I don't talk as any born for Kokobiri. Say my 5 children are 3 man born for. We don't talk that one. She said that to me. Say this man when me deal with my husband when me born my first son for. After I trained my husband for 2 years, I'm not just talk enter no. I said take time before I go for her. When I talk her from Facebook and TikTok, say me born my 2 boys for 2 men. So me I go come and go defend her for what? Am I stupid or what? We don't settle the case very well, no. So they are dragging themselves. Let them drag themselves. Not me. I can never, not even in the court, not even when gun, even if gun be pointed at me, I can never defend Oda. God forbid. I never even serve her Juju. Me, I don't serve her. When she talks, say me born for Kokobiri, I never enter TikTok.
You see what I got to tell Mommy 3D is? You see what I got to tell Mommy 3D is? Say, sometimes in life, this Juju now where Mommy 3D bring. I say you don't show a lot of people where me don't even know that say this one happen. Don't say I never stay here from Mommy 3D.
I have the proof. She did that to me.
I never stay here from Mommy 3D waiting make them get that proof. You see say this matter of ex.
They born my boy in a half cast. The picture where I tried to do a photo shoot for 5 years. Now she bring come and they describe my first son. Say I born her for Kokobiri. I did husband house.
One of the power time of the gift. No gift. no rose, no money gone. At the end of the say price bias, no gift.
DNA check. When she go hospital, but I won't come out from her. I dey wash you. When she go hospital, go do DNA test. This one will be juju. Why juju? Me, I don't serve her. If you serve this girl, I mean, wait for me. I will meet you. I go serve her. I meet you. I go serve her. I go serve her. Make she come prove her. Bring the bring my come out. Bring the conversation. Bring the phone. Bring the contact. She sent that to me. Even then I work. Not even on TikTok. Not with this guy even talk say na Ghana. Now me talk and say na Ghana, say na Balewa. Because my husband tell me say na she and Balewa go rent one apartment. So now with this guy talk about Ghana. This guy na Isha I dey here they wash you. I dey here they wash.
Thank you, Mama Titi.
So
God bless. Okay. Honey, Joshua don't pass 6 Joshua. First time we had a 6 Joshua. First, Mama Titi say no fit defend. Sorry, Mama Titi say no fit defend Mama Titi. He say even they put gun for head, so no fit defend her. He said they don't get issues of the same thing when Mama Titi accuse her of say born children for Kokobiri and stuff like that. Regardless of all those things, he say no fit still defend Mama Titi. The only person now we go suppose tell us now if Candy do a shebi for wedding of Mama Titi DS husband and the ex-wife 2013.
I wish now this girl, this is my friend now. This is my friend. So you see, you know now. She not say me and she not do any Ashebi.
Candy, wait to why they cry?
Because I know all those kinds. I know they like you. Know about, I know. Sorry, I know they come out for this kind of thing. I don't like her. I don't like her. I swear to God, I know they come for this kind. They call me put. Don't they call all those kind? I know they like all those kind of things.
That is not vessel. The only way you can liberate yourself.
2014. Now enter Euro 2014.
First, the only place
me and this guy call Euro the same thing. Now me and this you know. For me actually can't do the Ashebi. But when me actually can't do the Ashebi, now the thing they tire me. And no one say where no go.
Wait. Bros and Oji, wait. Bros and Oji. Bros and Oji, wait. Now me, wait. Now me, I know that get issue. Now me measure Jane for Isa. Now me measure my sister for Isa Jane. Me and Jane are friend for us. Now we come for the same place. We be friend for us. We still be friend for Europe. Now me measure Jane for Isa. Wait. I beg. I'm sorry to measure your name, but you need to calm down. But when you calm down. Make me and Rhoda face the issue. I beg. I'm not supposed to measure your name. I beg. Calm down. Make me and Rhoda face it. I beg.
Cardi go juju too. What's not be calm down? What do you want calm down for? You know what, Katan?
Cardi not feel go juju. You know serve juju. You know serve kanja. You know serve juju. I can't be. Na me serve and juju.
Barry J.
Na me.
Barry J. You not go feel just they talk something. How would they believe your own? Maybe they tell us how to solve this issue. I'm not gonna take her from you. You only want to talk. Only want to talk. Only want to say everyone for
okay.
Why you call the count their name?
Okay.
Wanna pick up your
okay. But this girl they insult people, children. They call people children bastards. How many people give her juju paper?
Barry J.
Now they tell herself the truth.
The people where she talk so now. She mentioned names. She called their
names. He not mentioned the but Mao. He tell me say my baby papa then Nigeria go married. I said my juju.
I love that word when you talk. You say your own because it was directed to you.
Mao. I said my juju paper.
They listen. You don't jack candy already. You go jack candy. Candy. Barry J.
May I tell you, juju paper, May I tell you, Rhoda, let me tell you something. Rhoda, may I tell you something. Juju paper no go fit solve this problem. Come and face me. Go do DNA test. Juju paper no fit you know go forget all those one. Come face me.
No, see, you know what in
why you dey run go dey do juju? How many people don't give you juju paper?
Mama 3D. I know what to do. Nobody J. If you talk to
they hear you.
Afraid of what?
They bring juju paper for you're not supposed to fear. Now,
to
Mommy
appear.
Trinity, you know what
I
they
don't
happen.
want to get for street. I don't understand.
Mommy Trinity, oh. Mommy Trinity. How are you only phone? Mommy Trinity. I have no right to tell another.
Sorry, I could go open door.
Listen to me. I have no right to tell another man to go and be DNA. Another man's wife. I don't get that right.
Oh, finish there. Don't worry, it's okay.
Mommy Trinity, wait. You know what you'll do for me?
Okay, go and sit down.
I want you to go and withdraw that case from that man. May carry that juju go Esa. Go bring juju from Esa come.
I'm not even give them juju now.
You know what I tell you so?
No.
But don't withdraw that thing now. The next thing, know, if you want, me we really find the truth of this thing. But if they must swear juju for this thing, one guy not a defense.
Epa, make me tell my husband people where they been.
Mommy, can you wait first now?
Okay,
These people are Esa. Okay? Person will say juju wait they down the walk. If you think spoil, if you think this, you know see juju pay. You don't see juju correct, go give. These people here are Esa. That man they believe. I not say if they bring Esa person, if they give juju person Esa, the paper may not go. But this particular one, I want it to be done in Esa land.
I cannot verse. The Pikin where they pull out for years, so where it for come? Where the Pikin be?
Literally the way first.
Wow.
The thing where they pull out for years. The thing where they not pull out for years. They listen to me. Juju, na juju.
Wow.
If I be your husband, they listen to me. Now because I be Bini, na not my son, my dad na Bini, so automatically I'm a Bini man. If not, as they put that life on my wife, that I'll go son.
So Benin not be Edo again. We not be one Edo again.
Maybe they listen to me. Don't say that Bini.
Epa, please hold on. Without due respect, at this point, is it because of say I be a son now you want make I go a son land? Or my husband people, hold on, sir. Or my husband people, because the day when they marry me, then my family let me know say I'm no longer an Esan woman. So I don't know why if I can't be Yoruba, person can't offend me will be a debtor. I'll come and say because the person offend me for debtor, I go do. See if this is how it will go, it's fine. At this point, she don't confirm to you now say, wait till she talk, she did right. It's okay. Now what I expect you to do say, since you did right of what you they do, then you don't need to talk say you don't go swear. Which one be me I cancel you? I don't understand.
You know why? You know why, Mom Trinity? You are married to a Benin man does not make you change your culture. Till today, till tomorrow, you and your mama still they talk.
Epa, today, person don't fair pull out for my head. Where I go summon for Esan for there. They tell me say because I don't marry. Say I need to they do something go my husband people. Not be today this matter start to. Epa now.
They say wait, hold on. They say the West note.
Voice note.
They say the West
No, there is no voice. Epa, I don't really need it. May you no worry. It's okay. If you cannot do it again,
you know why?
It's fine.
You know why they talk this thing? Barry J. I want me swear.
And he go swear whether na Esan or na Bini, no be she want swear. Na me want swear. If wait, no be she go need to swear. No problem. She no need to swear, Epa. Na me want swear. If all waiting she put for my head na truth, I will lay curse on it. I don't really need her to swear. I don't really need her to do it.
Kadi.
Which one be Esan? What it concern me concern Esan?
Epa, may I correct that one? May I correct that? Make I correct that talk. Epa, may I correct that issue? Make I correct that issue. Don't wait till make I talk about Esan. So, our kid, our Bros and OJ, may I correct? Bros and OJ, wait now. Bros and OJ, that Esan wey measure so that Esan so wait till make I say no dey go Esan. You know why Rhoda say no dey go Esan? Because you don't carry juju for many people for Esan. Our kid don't bad that for say no carry juju call give person again. You don't cast for you.
Okay, no, I bet mute me I talk. I bet mute me I talk this one. Mute. Epa, hold on, please. Mute her. Make her.
Make it the run so. Tell her say go be the juju for room. You from Urom, me from Urom. I from Anadoshan for me do a call. You from Efadion.
Epa, mute her.
Go bring juju for me for Urom. I from Urom.
Epa, mute her now.
When I meet her, Mojoto, I dey try to meet her for this side. We are talk.
Make them mute her.
I beg. Everybody dey mad for TikTok.
Yes, I don't work.
Why not mute?
Epa, please mute her.
Mojoto, when I help me mute, I'm a beg. I don't feel mute. I don't know why.
All right, Epa, you see this one where she don't see talk, so say my king. For where I for corn now, don't banish me, Abi. You hear and for your platform, Abi?
Yes,
say the ban. Epa, underline am again, no.
Yes.
She talk now because I the record. No be tomorrow you come and say, Mommy 3D. No be your king supposed to talk. Go Agbo. Epa, underline now. She say my king. Yes. Which is
that was such a
yes, everybody there now say the honour of Uromi, don't banish me, don't ban me, not to the bridge to do for anybody. Epa, may we stop her for here. We'll continue that topic from April. Thank you very much. So she doesn't really need to do it, but this particular one again, we'll continue that one from April. Thank you, bros.
But you all someone they talk now, the bro, this one, that one, it not really concern me, oh. Whether not be they get Pikin, whether not they get Pikin, that one not be my business, no concern me. My own, I don't do a shebi. I not doing the marriage for a shebi. So that one I did.
Marriage, what's happening for marriage?
No, not did the marriage. I can't enter 2014. They do marriage 2013. I saw I be witch. I feel like Coco do a shebi. I saw now it happen.
Okay, our marriage still can't concern you. Among everybody that they can't call your name.
Not this my sister, my friend carry me come and say I do a shebi. I not do a shebi now.
Okay, Barry they carry come and say do a shebi.
No, she carry me now. She.
Now you want to be Barry J friend, where she go your life for your head.
You know why she do this thing? Okay, let me just start from the beginning. Wait. You know what people think? That period.
Epa, may I leave you? I'll go bring children, yeah? Okay. Thank you, sir.
That time, when but now Tori I did before. So when we just come, now that I meet for Barry, she was very happy to see me. Because my old friend, we can't gist. So now there me and she for can exchange Europe number. Because Nigeria number now we get before she come out. So we can exchange Europe number. So when I do my things for that area, I can't see with the talk, you understand? So when I come, one issue can't set for Torino, I can't find her, no see house. I can't call her, say they find her. So say she gets one room, now one room she dey stay. But me, I feel can they follow her, they manage for the one room, which is 2014. Now Koto say, I go manage her, I dey find her for Torino, I no see you. Now Koto go meet her. So when we did there, night this my friend, this my friend come the house. Cause she did Barry.
Before you continue, no verse. How many times Mommy Tori did?
Mary, we forget. Oh, you Barry, leche no. Why are you leche?
Why you dey leche? Can't they bring this in?
Andy.
Yeah.
How many times Barry J and Mommy Tori did on meet physical life?
I don't confused remember, but they don't be that close friend.
Or they know each other.
Not through me. Brother Tessie. If that might say they hear her name for house. Not be everybody didn't know her. And not now my friend, now my sister, now the same village for come.
No, Aroda.
No, me and now the same village now we for come. You understand? If I put that about the we feel go village now last time that's so you go tell it because this one I like she dey put for my head So that's what the thing come like now through me when she come I come make sure we get guy name when they call her for house which I don't want to call her. Understand? So now she say now the girl did not say yes. Now through them to call they come.
Madam, you made mistake for there. Rest. You made mistake for there. May I correct you?
No.
That way you made mistake for there. Rhoda know me for us before. We know each other for us. We not be friends. We are not friends. We know each other for us.
You know you for her.
No, yes, my leg baby wa change joy. When you were, not be true you, not be true you. Me and Rhoda content the talk for BDC. Not true, not true small body. Akpo, that is Rhoda ex-boyfriend, a friend. Where I fed date to us. Now even tell her say, he not that day lecture. Una fit stay together because I know fit stay there. That time we dey for that characters of lecture for 2014. Not be even you to even tell, not be you be even the person where tell Rhoda say I don't come.
I get Torino. I'm not there. I'm not there.
You not dead there. You don't already come out go to Reno now. You don't know about those things. Not be all everything you know. Which one be say?
I don't know that one because I live in for there. Go back to Torino.
You don't know that one. What if you're not supposed to the job that side? You don't know that side.
But you want to that you find even tossing na me the brother fed the toast.
You say you don't know that side. You don't know that side. That be you sure you don't know road, whether the side go for know whether we don't know before everything. Bros and no you too what I they tell you. Now what if they tell you?
You see that sir, you see that marriage side though. That relationship, that Pikin, that DNA, it's none of my business. Now, what did person I reach now they talk? That one no concern.
Okay, that one are my business. Yes, that one are my business.
Yeah,
Now me that one please, so you may face me for that. That one are my business. I mean, so you know so what I they tell you. Now what me they tell you the beginning say
They do that marriage.
they don't arrange and finish. They don't arrange and finish.
Who is contesting? Are you mad? Who is
You know
contesting?
say you dey okay, you know so what they tell you. One quarter your time say you know to know how many times so at the correct they talk say you the talk say I dey for Barry. What you concern Barry? You lecture don't come from Barry.
You don't take my they are not even dating again. That was 2014. Now they put another one put for head. I get many things when they use it for year. Not be una saga or whether now DNA whatever. No, as I date I get what he face me.
Candy.
I beg. Me and you not do a shit. Me and you not do a shit before. See my
Candy.
take. Who have a record?
Candy.
Me and you not do a shit before person. Now that one I could come from inside. I beg.
You
Let
hear
no
me,
come.
Candy? You hear me?
I never caught it up before. No carry me caught it talk again.
Candy, they hear me?
Talk again. I beg you in the name of God.
Candy.
I beg you. I
Candy.
did on my own. I'm sorry, sir. I get my house. You understand? They never coming for this shit before. I beg you in the name of
You dey hear me? You dey hear me? I go believe you. I not go believe you. You are talking out of fear and you are talking out of witty person tell you. Sorry, oh. You are not bold like Barry J. No this.
I know code or whatever. All those kind of things, if they freak me. You know, consent. It's not fight. We want fight now. I thought they fight for. She everybody know me. She they mention my name na J Pokey. When we say that they know me, I'm my own a fight. But not a big judge matter. But I'm not they fight for she. She said she was the talk, so she know me read that thing. She was the talk, so she know me read that thing.
People who they fight who not a big judge matter get the way they take day. People who they fight who not a big judge matter get the way they take day. So for that simple reason, madam, you first go first, yeah? First go down first. Your clarification it has not even started. You never clarify anything to me. Because you be like the way it is, so you be like person they go tell for that side say we go Tavinia, we are Tavinia, Aki will you way. Well on. He go say me on, he go come clap up. But in jail, I'm small Pikin. This woman why is say this woman so.
My son is 10 years plus. My son is going to 11 years.
If you see the way she take caution that girl and say, stop, not Bernard. I have no road for us. She still studies firm. You will be the caddy, you they use crack. After that, you say you shall be fat. Person when they find all the crack. How they look myself. You get the right there. You will still reappear here. Roger, what is my 3D? Wait and listen carefully. Pini Juju na oga, Esan Juju na oga, all Juju na oga. 1 minute. All juju, they respect all juju for Nigeria. But for the fact that, Mommy Tiridi, you are from Esan, and all the women that you are dragging are from Esan, I go for beg you and your husband. When I go bring juju for Esan. Make Barry J for free attend. Make other people for free attend. Every day, Barry J will come talk, say, see what you can do, what you should do. On this note, if I say that man, so that which is that man, may God bless him. None I want use, no problem. I did game. My own is to see the end of this issue. But Barry J, God bless you, my sister. God bless you. Thank you so much for honoring my invitation to come and, not everybody go get the man to come talk. Although I never still know if you tell me the truth or if you are lying because I wasn't there. So thank you so much and God bless you. You can go down if you go down now.
Okay.